Okay, here we are, Latina Christiana 2, and this is lesson 14. X1V, lesson 14. And we're going to look at the sayings, and then we're going to go down and do drill A. And you did excellent today, you guys. I was very impressed with how far you worked ahead in class. Nature does not make leaps. I want you to check your spelling on this one, just in case, but it is natura, nature, non, does not, facit, make, and their last one is saltum. Saltum. You get the word somersault from that. Nature does not make leaps. Okay, repetition is the mother of learning. Repetitio. Repetitio. Mater. And of learning is studiorum. Let me see. Repetitio mater studiorum. There we go. Gratias tibi ago. That is from our list in the back of the book where we're talking about just general conversational Latin. And this is the way that the Romans would say thank you. And you may have learned it tibi gratias ago. It doesn't matter the word order, but gratias tibi ago or tibi gratias ago, thank you. Miles Christi sum. Sum, I am. Miles, a soldier. Get military from that. Christi, of Christ. And there it is. And quo vadis is, where are you going? Where are you going? Question mark. I think I put an extra period in there. Where are you going? Whoops. Question mark. Oh, that's a little crazy. All right. Now I've brought down my screen to drill A, and we have 12 different Latin words in drill A. We're going to translate. And I'm going to do something here. I'm going to put the O-S-T, mus, tis, und. And remember that we're actually working with weak E, wimpy E, and that's why the E's are going to disappear. But let's look at our verb endings. Let's see, do we have any O's in here, down in here? It doesn't look like it. How about an S? That would become in the form of is. That's our S, because this week we are doing O. Okay, so now we're going to work on drill A. And I did a little bit of a crazy thing on this video, so Lord willing, it will work for me. Let me see if my red pen's showing. So if my video got a little bit sloppy there, I greatly apologize. Drill A. So we have our OST, mustus int, verb endings up here, and we're going to look for the S, just an S. S, S, S. Whoa, is this an S? Pono ponere, no, this is a tis. So I'm not going to do that one yet. Those are all of our S's because this is a tis. There you go, S, S, and S. All of those, O is I, S is you, and you, and you, and the tis is the plural. S is you, tis is plural of you. This is the y'all, a whole bunch of you. There's another tis here. Y'all. So my I wrote it up a little differently than your book format, so you have to look around. So number 1 and number 4 are U's. Number 5 is a y'all because it's a tis. 8 is a U because it's a s. And 9 is a tis. It's a y'all. So let's look at what those 5 say. You go agere, you do, or you drive, or you act. Go agere would be agis. You do. Credis. You credo credere, you believe. See that in ere disappears and it becomes credis. Pono ponere, you all. What is number 5? Pono ponere, you all place or you all put. There you go. You all place, you all put. And this is ducis, duco, ducere. This is a single U. You lead. Duco, ducis, ducit. Regitis, rego, regere. And that is y'all rule. So let's see. We did the S, and we did the plural of S. We did the tis. How about we look for the mus? Let's do the mus down here. Und, t, mus. Mus is we. Und, t, und, mus. Mus is we. Gonna get a little tight down here. Okay. Bibo, bibere, we. Oh, if we need a bib, we might be taking a drink. If we're a baby. Baby bottles drip and they need bibs. Bibbo, bibere, we drink. And our other we down here, credo, credere, we believe. Remember, credo in unum Deum. I believe in one God. So we did mus. Let's do it t by itself. That has an unt. Oh, there's a t. Unt. There's a t. All right. So, O is I, S is you, mus is, O is I, S is you, T is he and she and it, mus is we, tis you all, unt is they. So t, he, she, it. I'm going to do this one as a he, just for the fun of it. And this one all the way over here as a she, for the fun of it. Okay, cado, cadere. On number 3, he or she or it falls. And over on number 10, trado, tradere, he, she, or it hands over. Hand over the money. All right. Now let's look for our unts. Unt is they. Unt is they on number 2. And unt on number 7 is they. And unt on number 11 is they. You know, if it's hard to get all this written down, you could kind of listen and then you could come back and just check through it at the end here. Okay, we want. We wo, we were, they live. If something is vivid, it is living, in living color. Current, curro, currere. And if you remember that, they run. The couriers run around delivering packages. And agunt, ago, agere, they drive. And ago, agere also do, drive, act, or treat. Any of those are acceptable. So that is drill A. Now we're going to move on to the next page, but I want you to pause the video if you haven't done sections, because I want you to only correct what you've actually really put in some credible work on. If you're completely stumped, you could start the video, do a couple, and go, okay, I get this, and stop. But I don't want anyone to just do an exercise in copying. It doesn't do anything for your brain. So take a pause and all right, here we are with drill B. Remember, we're doing these weak E words that have the ere, just ere. Whoops, what was that? We'll just turn that into some kind of decoration. Ere, there we are, weak E, ere. And ere, that E pretty much right there, bing, 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 disappears and becomes I and a. O is it, imus itis unt. There we go. He drinks. O is I, S is you, he is she. O is I, S is you, T is he or she or it. So this is going to have the it ending on it. And do you remember that if you drink, you need a bib? So that should give you a hint. Then it is bibbit. An awesome word. Bibbit. He drinks. We lead. Here is O is I in plural. Imus is for we. Imus. Lead. And do you remember duco, ducere? Ducimus. We lead. They hand over. They. We. You all. They. It's going to be an unt in this conjugation. And they hand over. Trado, tradere, tradunt. How are we doing so far? Get 3 of them right? That'd be awesome. You live. O is I. S is you. This is going to be an is. And our living, we wo, we were. We wis. We wis. You live. This is you all. So if is you, itis is you all. I don't know why this is flashing. It's driving me crazy. Itis, you all. You all act. And that is the ago, agere, agitus. You all act. I run. Oh, I. Oh is I. I run. Curo, curere. Oops. C-U-R-R-O. Curo. I run. We had that one memorized. Or at least we're working on memorizing this one. Curo, curere. I run to run. She is falling. I, you, he, she, it. Ooh, it's an it. It is it. And this one. She is falling. Cado, cadere. Cadit. She is falling. Or she does fall. Or she falls. They do place. This is the they. We, y'all, they. So it's going to be an und. They do place. Oh, what is that place? Pono, ponere, ponunt. They do place. They place or they are placing. We are ruling. We, emus. We rule. We do rule or we are ruling. Same word. Rego, regere, regimus. This is actually pretty easy. You are leading. You, O is I, S is you, so it's going to be an is. And to lead, duco, ducere, ducis. There you go. I am doing. O is I. I am doing. Ago, agere. Ago. I am doing. I do. That sounds funny. Oh, or I do. Okay, it puts. O is I, S is you, T, she, T is he and she and it, so it is it. It puts. Pono, ponere, ponit. And now we're ready to move down to exercise A, exercise B, and derivatives. I'm going to do that on another video, hopefully with a few less glitches than this one. So make sure you've done the next 3 parts before you check yourself.